Stop dreaming about a cybersecurity career and start building one. Join our bootcamp now. Dive into the world of cyber analysis with our intensive certificate in cyber analysis bootcamp. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned pro looking to upskill, we've got you covered. Learn from expert instructors through real-world scenarios and practical exercises. Our comprehensive program covers everything from cybersecurity risks to data security and user access control. With 10 in-depth modules, you'll master critical concepts and competencies. Plus, our simulated exam will boost your confidence to pass on the first try. Connect with like-minded professionals and expand your network. Offered by the Alberta Business School, Valcon Inc.'s training affiliate. An IIBA-endorsed educational provider, this bootcamp is your ticket to a booming career. Don't miss out on this opportunity to elevate your cybersecurity knowledge and earning potential. Sign up today and get ready to unlock your future. Remember, your journey to becoming a certified cyber analyst starts here. To learn more, visit www.valconsult.com/cybersecurity bootcamp. Let's get you certified, confident, and career ready.